What y'all know about Jamaican food?
Look who I'm fucking again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny. Y'all, I feel like I haven't did makeup in a long time. Well, like a makeup tutorial like in a long time. So I decided to do this quick and easy summer makeup look. I really don't do too much during the summertime. I just did a pop of color in the tear ducts of my eye and this lip combo, and super quick, super easy. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell notification button so you're notified, so you be notified every single time that I upload. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace. Alright guys, so I started off by applying a sunscreen. It has an SPF of 30. Sunscreen is very important. I do suggest everyone to wear a sunscreen, even black people, especially if you have dark marks, because it can like stop your dark marks from getting darker. Alright, so I'm going ahead and applying my primer. This is from Urban Decay. And now I'm just applying my LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the color of orange. It's just basically correcting all my dark spots. All right, now so with the foundations, I'm taking two foundations. So one is by Covergirl, one is by NYX. I'll have like all the details linked down below, and I just like to mix these two foundations up, and they are both matte, so you need to work like pretty quickly with these foundations. And I just like to smear it all over my face first, just to work the foundation in. The heat from our hands, it just melts the foundation. I think it just glides on a lot better. And I like to go in with my damp beauty blender just to blend everything in. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight my LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm not sure what color this is in, but like I said, I'll have like all the details linked down below in the description bar if you guys are interested to see exactly what kind of products that I'm using. Alright, so I'm just go ahead and blend that out with my beauty blender. And this looks so harsh, y'all, but don't come for me because it's just going to all come together in the end. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and contour with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cocoa. And I just like to put down a not wet, but I just like to use this as a base first, and then I go in and set that with a contour powder. I don't know, I just feel like my contour lasts a little bit longer like when I do it like this. And the contour I'm going in with is actually from BH Cosmetics. This is so old, y'all. I have this palette for such a long time and I still do use it. And this contour brush is actually by Wet n Wild. And I'm just contouring my nose a little bit as well, not too much. And I'm going to go in with my airspun loose powder, and I'm just going to set everywhere that I place that concealer. And I like to place my my loose powder with this flat foundation brush. I don't know why, I just like the way it just locks in my highlight, if that makes sense. I don't know, I just like the way it looks. I don't know what the hell that was. Alright, so I'm just dusting away the excess. Alright, so I'm now just going to go with my Covergirl face powder, and I'm just going to set the whole face. I'm going directly underneath the contour just so the contour can pop a little bit more. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place blush palette. I love this palette. So I'm just gonna go with this orangey, peachy, not peachy, orangey color. And I'm just gonna place that on my cheeks as a blush. And I like to start from the top and work my way to the cheeks because I don't like my blush to be directly on my cheeks, if that makes sense. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna go with my is this Maybelline? I think this is Maybelline, the Master Crime highlighter, and I'm just gonna highlight it underneath my brows and the tip of my nose a little bit and the bridge of my nose as well. And I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe palette, and I just like to put a brown. If I'm not really wearing any eyeshadow, I just like to put a brown eyeshadow in my crease a little bit, just to give the crease of my just to give my lids a little bit of a definition. I don't know why I like to do this. I just like to do this if I'm not, doing a lot with eyeshadow, but it's optional. You don't have to do it. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my lashes with my Wet n Wild mascara. And the lashes I'm using are by House of Lashes, and I think these are in the style Iconic. And girl, I still need help putting on lashes. But I'm getting there. She's getting there. No worries. Alright, so I went in with a black eyeliner and just putting some eyeliner on my waterline. Y'all, I haven't worn eyeliner in freaking years. I don't know what possessed me to do that today, but we gonna rock with it. It's cute. Alright, so I went in with my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna place this gold color into my inner tear duds. Is it duds? Duds? I don't know. Alright, so for the lips, y'all, I took this Rimmel lip liner. This is in the color Coffee Bean. And I'm lining my lips, and I'm gonna fill my lips in with that color as well. Okay, so the liquid lipstick that I'm using is by ColourPop, and this is in the color Chi. It's like a pinky nudie color, and I'm placing that in the center of the lips. And I went on top with my NYX Butter Gloss, and this is an Angel Food Cake. And I think these 3 lip combinations, this lip combo is so pretty. Like, I got literally like 5 compliments on this lip combo, y'all. Alright, so I went ahead and set my face with my Urban Decay setting spray. And that concludes this video, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next from me. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.